Hi, welcome to your new construction home tour. I'm Michelle Wells with the Wells Group at People's Trust Realty, your go-to expert for new construction on Florida's Nature Coast. Today, I am thrilled to bring you on a personal tour of another beautiful new construction home in Sugar Mill Woods of Homosassa, Florida. This one is the Westerville model. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home with 2,286 square feet of living space and 0.2 acre lot. Built by Century Complete, it features a modern open floor plan, a stunning kitchen with 11-foot long granite breakfast bar and a generous laundry room, and much more. This home offers quality construction at a great price in a fantastic neighborhood. At the end of the video, I will break down all of the details, including the floor plan and the current price. The best part, this home is move-in ready today. You won't have to wait a year for construction, and I will be walking you through every detail, featuring everything, showing you what makes this home truly special and why it might be the perfect fit for you and your family. Whether you're searching for your forever home or a smart investment, you do not want to miss this. Are you ready to explore? Let's step inside and discover what could be your next dream home. Hi, my name is Michelle Wells. I'm with People's Trust Realty and the Wells Group. I am coming to you today to show you this beautiful home here. This is a Century Complete home, the Westerville model. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 2,286 square feet. Plenty of room for all of your family or for anything else you want to do. So let's come on in and take a look. Hi, this is Michelle Wells with People's Trust Realty and the Wells Group, coming to you to show you this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home. It's 2,286 square feet. It is a Century Properties built home. So this is a brand new build. I just wanted to bring your attention to the foyer. People love to decorate the foyer. They can put a Christmas tree here if they'd like. They can have a cute little credenza here, anything to make it look beautiful. Notice, obviously, we have the metal 6-panel door here. We're going to go to the right here first and check out just a brief image of the garage. It's going to be really quick. I just want you to see it. All right, so we're going to go over here and show you the rain-bird irrigation system in this 21 by 20 foot garage. And you know, it's not completely finished yet. It is spackled. It just needs to be painted to whatever color you prefer. We have a new hot water tank with an extra bladder for water, so you're not getting into a situation where you gotta finish up with cold water. And then let's go back into the rest of the house. All right, so now we are in the great room that's coming off of the foyer. It is actually 29 feet this direction, not counting the foyer, and 13 feet that way. So it's a good size room. Now we are in the dining area, which is right off of the great room. And in this is a 13 by 14 foot dining area, so you got plenty of room for a table, a big family table, any kind of china cabinet, armoire, whatever you want to have there. But it's right off of this porch, which is beautiful. We're going to take a look at that right now. Cute little porch. It has a light above, obviously, so you can sit here at nighttime. And there's an electric outlet over here, so that way you can plug in whatever you need outside, whether you want a TV up there or whatever. Just sit out here and enjoy the nature. But come on in and let's go look at the kitchen now. We are looking at the kitchen. This is a good sized kitchen. It has 11-foot peninsula here. I'm talking 11 whole feet. You could probably put 7 bar stools here. I'm not sure, depending on how big they are. This is plenty of room to do anything that you want prep-wise. Let's come on in and look at the rest of this kitchen. We have stainless steel Whirlpool appliances here. We have the shaker cabinets, white shaker cabinets. A good-sized pantry. because everybody needs a pantry. I'm so sad I don't have one. Maybe someday. But we have cabinets, drawers. These are the soft close drawers, the soft close cabinets, and Whirlpool dishwasher here. All brand new. This is an undermount sink. We were running some water in it earlier. Has great pressure. That way you can do whatever you want in here as well. So let's go see all of the bedrooms. This is the first bedroom that we're coming to here, and it is a good sized bedroom with a walk-in closet. Notice they all have the 2 panel doors here. This particular bedroom is 11 by 14 feet. Hey, so now we are in the second guest bedroom, that's at the front of the house. So come on in and take a look. It is done in the same style as the first bedroom with the light that is on the ceiling. It has the baseboards and everything just like the other room. The 2 panel doors, and right here is the walk-in closet. Come on in. So inside this closet, we have a window to give you some extra light in here, but it's 8 foot by 7 foot. So this is actually a really good size closet. You can put dressers in here, toy boxes, whatever you want to do. So this is the first guest bathroom, and it has the tub shower combo. It has the same flooring that's in the rest of the house. It has the shaker cabinets and the granite countertops, just like the kitchen and the other bathroom in the house. So it's a nice size, and it's close to the front of the house. Hey, so welcome to the large laundry room. Come on in. So in this laundry room, we have ample storage right here. Place for your washer dryer, of course, and even more space for storage. Hey guys, so we're in bedroom number 3. Come on in and take a look. This is done in the same style as the other bedrooms, with all the quality of a Century Built home. The closet is a little bit smaller, however. Hey, so we are in bedroom number 4, the primary bedroom, also called the master suite or the owner's suite. So come on in and take a look. I'm going to show you this window. All the windows throughout the house is like this. So let's take a look at everything here. So the windows are very easy to open. And then what's even better is they're also easy to clean. So let's come around and look at the master bath. Okay, so now we are in the master bath. So let's take a look at everything. So first thing is we have the dual sinks with the chrome fixtures. We have the same granite countertop throughout the whole house, the white shaker cabinets, 2 mirrors, and this is a shower bathroom here. So we have this full shower insert here with the built-ins for your shampoos and your conditioners. And then we're going to come over here and take a look at, here's a little cubby here for your commode. And then over here, we are going to find the linen closet right across from the toilet here. The best part about this bathroom, the master suite bathroom, is the closet is right here, and it's a large one. Come take a look. This closet is 13 feet by 5 feet, and then it has a little alcove in the corner for you to put storage or a dresser, shoes, whatever you want to do. And And that particular piece is 4 foot by 3 foot. Okay, so there's a couple of features in this long hallway that we didn't go over before. One of them here is the air handler. It's behind this louvered door here. This is a carrier air handler, and so it is perfect for all your cooling needs. And we're going to come down here and notice that we have an Sqft Pro smart thermostat here for you. And then we are going to go to the closet. So this is the main closet when you come in to put your coats. This is a good sized closet though. more details on this beautiful Westerville model home. Built in 2024, this home offers 2,286 square feet of living space on 0.28 acre lot. Priced at just $331,990, a fantastic value in today's market for both new builds and existing homes. This model is available in multiple locations throughout Florida, from Jacksonville all the way down to Cape Coral, including West Central Florida's nature coasts in Hernando, Citrus, and Pasco counties. Now keep in mind, prices can vary depending on upgrades, features, land cost, impact fees, and more. This home qualifies for all traditional loans, including the USDA Rural Development Loan, thanks to its location. The USDA loan offers incredible benefits like zero down payment, a lower mortgage rate, currently at 4.89%, and no PMI, potentially saving you up to $415 a month. For more details, check out my video on USDA loans and PMI insurance, or reach out to me directly. Now, I'd like to say a little bit about Sugar Mill Woods. This is a vibrant community offering all the amenities that you would want, like 36 holes, golf courses, pro shops, sports complex, tennis, pickleball, racquetball, gym, swimming pool, clubhouse, restaurant, and activities for all ages. With its abundant green spaces, it provides a serene and spacious living environment. Now, if Sugar Mill Woods isn't quite what you're looking for, don't worry. New construction is booming all across Florida, and I'm here to help you explore all of your options. Call, text, or email me for personalized guidance on buying, selling, or finding your dream home. Now, if you want to see more content like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment below what you loved about this house, and maybe what communities you'd like to see next. Your engagement helps more people find this video and allows me to continue to bring you content that you want. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.